artists. When we left, 3D to 3E was due. That was a long time ago. Hey, whose jacket is this? Anybody missing a jacket? Oh, it's a nice jacket. Maybe it's my jacket now. Hey, a quarter. It's Jerry. Jerry 2.0.
Matrices. Don't you miss those? Ashley's bear? Hen's egg. What? A platypus? Oh, it should have a T. A platypus? A blank low platypus. I don't know. That was supposed to be a lot more dramatic. Hello. Welcome to class.
It's Miss Reinhardt! Hello from a distance! Yay! And she brought me homemade loquat butter. Heck yeah. Miss you all. Bye. Bye.
It appears as though I owe 3 people some chips. I know the first one is Paige Francis, the second one is Como. For your sake, I'm not going to attempt to say your last name. JV? Who's JV? Who's JV? I figured it out. It's not a trig student. That's why it was throwing me off. JV. John Velasquez. Pre-Cal honors. I was gonna say the block, but I blanked out. I don't know, second or third. It's been so long. Speaking of chips.
Looks like we have one that is less popular than the others.
This is definitely an Ashley Gonzalez note card. What else do we have here? More Ashley note cards. This looks like Chow Jay's handwriting. Barbecue clover chips. Who left this bag? Who did it? One last raspberry and cream. This could be you. This could be your book. Hello.
Hi there. Hope everyone's doing well, staying safe, and getting ready for the end of the year. Hope you have a safe and well-rested summer. And enjoy yourself.
Yay, thank you. Bye.